Oahu real estate market update for September 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name is Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel, we explore real estate tips and strategies to help you make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then, I'll share the local market information for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. Stick around to the end when I'll update you on the state of interest rates. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 1,884 homes sold, a 7.5% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are down 6% to 3,024 homes sold compared to last year. The single-family home median sales price in August was $1.1 million, which is a 5% increase compared to 2023. Condos are at $508,000, a 1% increase from last year. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 18 days on the market, 22% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 29 days, which is 45% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 2,608 single-family homes this month, which is a 12% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 5,002 condos this month, which is an 18% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been increasing since December. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 2,041 homes, 1% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 3,245 homes in escrow, which is 5% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 3.4 months, 26% higher than last year. Condo months of inventory also increased to 5.1 months, 82% higher than last year. Overall, supply appears to be on the uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 760 homes, a 27% increase year-on-year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,879, a 64% increase year-on-year. Family homes active inventory has been increasing since December. The percentage of list price received is now 99% for single-family homes and 98% for condos. Single-family home sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 37% total closed sales. 99% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $400,000 and $500,000 accounted for 18% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is less than 1% lower than last year. The Oahu real estate market shows continued strength for single-family homes, with a 7.5% rise in closed sales and a 5% increase in median prices compared to last year. While condo sales have dipped by 6%, inventory is up significantly, suggesting more options for buyers and potential price adjustment in the coming months. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year-to-date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $1.8 million, which is based on 48 closed sales. Days on market are now 13. For Moana Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $740,000, which is 7% higher than last year. Days on market are 52 days. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 12 days. Condo prices are now $570,000, and days on market are 25 days. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now at $890,000, and days on market are 23 days. For condos, prices are now $695,000, 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 22 days. For Waikiki, single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 10% higher than last year. Days on market are 17 days. For condos, prices have decreased by 5% compared to last year, which is at $800,000 and 12 days on market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.7 million, which is 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 13. For condos, the median price is now $790,000. Days on market are 17. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $910,000, 1% higher than last year. Days on market are 21 days. On the condo side, median price is at $400,000 and days on market are 36. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now $1.2 million, 3% higher than last year. Days on market are 13. For condos, the median price is now $700,000 and days on market are 17. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is $1.4 million and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price has decreased to $650,000, 18% lower than last year. Days on market are 16. For Makaha, Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is $655,000 and days on market are 35. Condo median price increased to $250,000 and days on market are 44. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is $1 million and days on market are 28. For condos, the median price is $570,000, 2% higher than last year, and days on market are 29. For Waikiki and Moiliili, the median single-family home price is $1.6 million, 7% higher than last year. Days on market are 18. For condos, the median price is at $400,000 and days on market are 31. The Mililani single-family home price is now $1.08 million and days on market are 14. For condos, median price is $515,000 and days on market are 25. The Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price increased to $1.2 million, which is 11% higher than last year, while days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now $430,000 and days on market are 27. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price is at $1.5 million and days on market are 22. For condos, the median price is $1 million and days on market are 11. For Pro City, Aiea, the median single-family home price is now $1.1 million, 12% higher than last year, and days on market are 13. For the condos, the median price is $482,000 and days on market are 25. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is $125,000 and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price increased to $345,000, which is 6% higher than last year, and days on market are 48. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is $2.4 million, and days on market are 26. For condos, median price is $630,000, and days on market are 28. For Waikiki condos, median price is now $430,000, and days on market are 35. For Waipahu, median single-family home price is $950,000, and days on market are 20. For condos, the median price is $508,000, and days on market are 21. For the Windward coast, the median single-family home price is $1 million, 13% lower than last year. Days on market are 35. For condos, the median price is $55,000, which is a 129% increase compared to last year. And days on market are 15. As of September 11, average 30-year fixed mortgage rate was 6.11%, according to Mortgage News Daily. This is the lowest rate we've seen since February 2nd, 2023. So, if you've been waiting for a dip, this could be your moment. But keep in mind, it's been quite a ride this year. Rates have ranged from that 6.11% low to as high as 7.52%. So, if you're in the market, it's important to stay informed, be ready to move when the rates work in your favor. Let me know in the comments below what you think about interest rates. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. Enjoy this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take the next step and make Oahu your home, please reach out. Thank you so much for watching.